Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream top for coffee. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, a touch of sweetener, and a splash of vanilla extract. Ensure your cream is very cold for optimal whipping. You'll also need a whisk or a small electric frother. This guide will walk you through each step to achieve that delightful, frothy layer on your favorite brew. For the best cream top, start with very cold, heavy cream, ideally with a high fat content. This ensures a stable and airy texture. You can sweeten it with 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, a dash of maple syrup, or even a pump of flavored syrup. A small electric frother is ideal, but a regular whisk and a bit of elbow grease will also get the job done effectively. Now for the whipping. Pour your cold cream into a small bowl. Using your frother or whisk, whip the cream until it reaches a thick, yet still pourable consistency. You're looking for soft peaks, not stiff ones. Over-whipping can lead to a grainy texture, so stop just as it thickens. This delicate balance ensures a smooth, luxurious cream top for your drink. Once your cream top is perfectly whipped, gently spoon it over your hot or iced coffee. Watch as it beautifully floats on top, creating that signature layered look. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a little cinnamon or cocoa powder. This simple addition elevates your coffee experience to a cafe-quality treat right at home. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.